Good day, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel as we continue with our engineering drawing into. Today, I'll show you now how to draw a circle in an isometric. Okay. Now, when you get to an exam, we have two set square that we're gonna use. We have the 45 set square. We also have the 60-30 set square. So whenever drawing any object in an isometric, we have to use the one for 60-30 set square. Now I want to show you how we're going to draw our circle. Let's say we were asked to draw a diameter of 50 millimeters. So meaning now, if we have to draw it in an isometric, we're gonna have to project this off with this compulsory whenever you are attempting any question regarding an isometric. So meaning, the first thing to consider, we're gonna have to see our starting point. Now, looking at this ruler, we have 90 degrees over here, we have 30 degrees over here, we have 60. So meaning we're gonna draw our line at an angle of 30 degrees. Now we're gonna draw a line here, going to the side, we turn it over, we're gonna draw another line over here, going over to the other side. Now let's just draw it from one side only. So now if you were asked to draw a diameter of 50 millimeters, meaning now we're gonna have to measure 50 millimeters from our starting point, going to the right, maybe it's here. Then you're gonna draw a line going up. Now, if you were asked to draw an isometric of a certain object, all vertical lines that you see from the drawing are vertical. Now, all lines that you see from the drawing that are horizontal, you're gonna draw them at an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Now also we're gonna have to measure 50 going up. So now in this case, because my ruler is not perfect with the measuring here, I'm gonna use 10 as my reference. Meaning I'm gonna count from 1 here to 60, of which is 50. I'm gonna measure it there. Now I'm drawing a complete box over here. Okay, now after drawing a complete box, the idea was to draw a circle. Now we're gonna have to measure the half of 50, of which is 25, of which is here. The other one on the other side here, we have to measure 25 also, of which is here. Okay, meaning the center you see here is the same center we're gonna have this side. The center we have from that side, the same center that we're gonna have over here. Meaning if I measure from here going here, it's gonna give me 25 millimeters, of which is half of 50. Okay, now I'll just give you two methods of how you're not gonna forget on how to draw a circle. You can just label our corners. Maybe this one is A, this one is B. So the opposite of B is here. You can write B over there. Opposite of A is this one. So looking at A and B, you just say the shortest one. So I mean the shortest one is B. Then now you're gonna take a line from B here. You draw a line and go in there. Again, you take it from this corner here, you bring it to the center over here. Someone will say, no, I can just take the shortest corner, then I'm gonna draw a line at the angle of 60 degrees. Okay, turn over to the next position, towards our corner. We take a corner of which was this one. Now if you can draw a straight line from this corner here, from this corner over here, it must go straight to that point over there. Now you take this corner over here, it must go straight to our center there. Now the next part that we have to do, you must use our compass. Okay, now here is my compass. I'm gonna use my compass to draw those arc lines. Okay, now I'm gonna place it at this corner over here. I stretch it to this point over here. It must come straight to this section. Now I'm gonna draw a line coming there. Okay, now I change position. I bring it to the other side. If I point it here, it must come to this line over here and goes back to this point over this side. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Then now I'm gonna place it here, this corner here. If I take it from this point over here, it must bring me to this other side there. Holding my compass on the tip. Okay, now I bring it to the other side. I point it here. It must also go to the next position. Sorry, just a bit. So now that's how we're gonna have to draw our lines. Now the problem starts here when marking the script. See, we're gonna have this point. That's where we start to lose our marks. Start losing our marks. Now we just have to be careful whenever you're using the T-square. The main thing that causes those things is because our T-square is moving. So make sure whenever you're drawing or attempting in an isometric, make sure your ruler is not moving. Try by all means to make it not to move. Okay, and thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Now I'm gonna show you more videos on the next videos.